Hello everyone, I'm Alyxxndra, and for this video I'm collaborating with Doe Lashes. I already collaborated with Doe Lashes the last year on 2018, and yeah, you can see my picture here, it's me. You can follow them on Instagram, and you can also check their site on internet so you can see their collection. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want, like this video and subscribe. Thank you. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP medium brown. I do the shape that I want, and then I fill the empty parts. I brush the initial part of my eyebrow and then the rest of it. And now I'm using the Essence Camouflage+Matt Concealer 30 to define my eyebrow. The brush that I'm using is a different brush of another concealer because I found it easier for me in this way. After that, I just blend it with another brush. I'm using the Peach Glow Makeup Base to moisturize my skin because my skin is really dry, especially on winter. For my foundation, I prefer to use this BB cream because I don't feel it's too heavy on my skin, and it also helps me to moisturize my skin. To correct the skin tone of my skin, I'm using this bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I put the concealer on my eye bags, my chin, my nose, and my forehead, and then I'm gonna blend it with my fingers. The first color that I'm gonna use is called Cayenne, and I use it as the base of my eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna put the second color called Fuccboi in the end of my eyelid. Before putting mascara on, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm using the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Cara Mascara, but I'm not gonna put it too much. To contour my nose, I'm using the Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Pro. I make a line first and then I blend it with this brush. For the contouring, I have to make sure that it's well blended. I'm using this powder from the same palette to fix my contouring. Using this blush from Sunnies face, and I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it. For the highlighter, I'm using this eyeshadow called Moose Rock from Colourpop Cosmetics. To finish my everyday makeup look, I'm using this lip cream from Sunnies face. I put it on the center of my lips and then I blend it using my fingers. And now I'm gonna change my lipstick, and this one is one of my favorite lipsticks that I have, and I also use it for my everyday makeup looks, and this one is from Maybelline New York. I'm honestly not an expert on putting fake lashes on, and that's why I ended up crying. So the video is done, and I'm inviting you to comment which are your favorite lashes. Mine are this because I really love it. I really love them. Like this video if you want, and if you want you can follow me on Instagram, and if you want you can subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.